What is cosine pi over 6, you ask? Well, this is using the unit circle to find a value at cosine pi over 6. So I'm going to do my best to draw the worst possible unit circle I ever have in my entire life. Usually when you focus on quadrants, you have 3 points, bang, bang, and bang. Pi over 6 is like the very first one. Okay, so you would be pi over 6, pi over 4, pi over 3. So whenever I'm thinking about drawing like the points on my unit circle, you always start out by doing the square root of 3 over 2 to the part closest to the x-axis. Then this would be root 2 over 2, 1 over 2, and then you'd work your way back. Now, cosine is only the x value. So if I wanted to put the entire point, you have root 3 over 2 and 1 over 2, but I only care about the x value for pi over 6. And the x value, cosine, is just root 3 over 2. So the answer to this guy is C. All right, not too bad.